The Redmi Note 14 Pro has recently launched, and it comes with some exciting features. It has a fast refresh rate curved AMOLED display, IP69 waterproof protection, a large battery, a power-efficient processor, and more. Today, I'll be sharing my first impressions of the Redmi Note 14 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky here from Techmaiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Hey friends, I recently uploaded a detailed review of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. After watching this video, you'll also understand the differences between the Redmi Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus and which one might be the best choice for you. Here we have the Redmi Note 14 Pro in twilight purple with a plain leather finish. Besides this, there are black, white, and green color options that come with a glass back. This purple version also has a two-tone shade with darker and lighter purple at the bottom. At the top, there's also a light and dark purple shade, giving the phone a unique and attractive design this year. The camera module is placed in the center and has the same shape on both the Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus models. It's a square shape with rounded edges, containing 3 camera lenses and an LED flash. The camera module has a glass finish. The design of the phone is similar to the 14 Pro Plus, with curved edges on both the front and back, and the display is the same too. The phone has a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness is 3000 nits, so visibility in sunlight is excellent. You can check out the brightness test in the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus video. For eye protection, it has 120Hz PWM dimming, and the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The buttons and layout are the same as on the Note 14 Pro Plus. The phone's durability is also similar to the Note 14 Pro Plus. It has a diamond structure and multi-stage cushioning design. It comes with high-level water and dust resistance, rated IP66, IP68, and IP69. This means it can stay underwater at a depth of 2 meters for up to 24 hours and can survive in extreme temperatures. As for performance, the Redmi Note 14 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor, built on a 4nm platform, which makes it energy efficient. The Redmi Note 14 Pro has an Antutu score of over 660,000. You can play Honor of Kings at 90 FPS settings, but it doesn't handle heavy games well without lag, so it's not ideal for gaming. As for the battery, it has a 5500 mAh capacity and supports 45-watt PD 3.0 fast charging. I'll share more details about the battery charging test and gaming test in an upcoming detailed review video, so stay connected with our channel. Now, let's talk about the camera. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera using the LYT600 sensor, an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor as the secondary camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfies, it has a 20-megapixel front camera. This setup is quite different from the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. You can see sample photos here, and there's a noticeable difference in camera quality compared to the Note 14 Pro Plus. The base variant of the Redmi Note 14 Pro starts at 1,399 Chinese yuan, which is about 151 pounds in the UK and $195 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone offers a great display, providing an excellent multimedia experience. The camera is above average and the durability is impressive. It also has a large battery with an energy-efficient processor. However, it's not suited for heavy gaming. So what do you think about the Redmi Note 14 Pro? Which feature did you like the most? And at what price do you think it should launch in India? It's expected to launch in India by December. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.